The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. After December 31, 2020, the Adobe Flash Player are no longer existing because of the HTML5 has impacted the Adobe Flash Player planet. We play our national anthem for Adobe Flash Player right now.